That is 11 3/4. Hey, what's up guys? Back on site here Friday morning. It's gorgeous out and it's a great day because we're gonna start putting steel around these windows on this end wall. You can see behind me, I've been working on this detail here, which is a little bit tricky with the standing seam just to make sure everything lines up. Greg worked on this steel on this porch end right here, and now we're getting ready to hang the first sheet of steel on this corner, which is very tricky. It goes into the lower window, it goes into the porch steel off to the side, it goes up around this porch overhang, and then it goes up into obviously our overhang up top. Greg, hopefully we did our job, and are you ready to put it up?
Yeah, I need 9-inch benders.
Oh. Because I would love, once we get past this guy, it's kind of, well, actually going into these windows is going to be fun, but no big deal. No hill for a climber. We'll get it. Wait, we should just be able to slide it in.
Yeah. Get yours in. Then we could like roll it.
No, I'm thinking like literally it's on the 412, so we should just be able to slide it right in, dude.
Right. You have to get your good rim.
Oh, this guy?
Actually, if you roll, come on.
Nice clean detail. It's gonna force all the water down off the roof. Over here we've got the bend up, so no water's coming in here, and it's gonna work its way right down. Okay, 101 is exact. Like that's the top of that window. What? That's the top of the second window. That would be your dimension, like that would be, you know, yeah. And then 112 1/4 is your bottom.
112 1/4.
Yep. And then that's tight. And then 159 7/8. Yep. It's exciting. As you can see, we've got wall steel into the triple set of windows, so we've got one sheet to go to get into these windows, which it'll be tricky because we've only got 1 foot of steel. Basically, it's actually 12 7/8 from the rib to the window, so we're gonna have one stiffener rib, the good rib, which is not as strong, but it should help us, but it's still gonna be tricky. We got to get it into these trims without making too many. Oh, that was close. Without getting any scratches on these black trims, which is gonna be fun. Hopefully we got some painter's tape in the trailer. Hope so. You're gonna have to be able to do this bottom window.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like get it in the top and the bottom and whatever, which that shouldn't be too bad.
No.
This is the sheet we've been kind of waiting for, huh?
One of them.
Okay, hand on it. At least we got 2 ribs. Okay, let's get this good rib in.
Yep. That one might be the hard one right there, the top one.
Okay. All right, man, hold on. Hold on. Okay, now hold on. I'm gonna get on my rail here so I can traverse between the two. Ugh. Okay. Now, I need to go back a little.
Same here. Top out up top.
That's fine, I'm not in yet down here. Okay. Okay.
All you up top, and then we slide in.
I'm not
You got a catching underneath there, on like the.
Yep, I see it. Okay. That wasn't bad, buddy.
Dude, that was like cake.
That was easy.
Lightweight.
Easy. Nice, dude. That was nice.
Dude, that was easy.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all. It's always a good idea to use some blue painter's tape just to cover up the corners that you know are going to be seeing probably some edges of steel, especially on a difficult placement like this one where we have to go around 3 windows and we've only got 2 guys. If we had a 3rd guy, it'd be even easier, but the other added difficulty is we've got to get into this corner where we did have a J channel, but we removed it for now, and I think we'll be able to slide it in later. You ready? Oh, I got to help you? Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just make sure. This is one of the probably trickier ones we've done, Greg. Can you go this way for a second? Okay. All right. Now. All right. Now we can start working it in. Stay low, just protect that window. I got tape there. Get it in, and then we're going to have to lift it up and just, you know, do our best. This is why you tape.
Oh, that was just in there. Drop down just a hair.
Drop down?
Oh, just a hair. I can get past that little notch there. Good. See that? Oh, that didn't get snipped. There we go. There we go.
I'm good. Go ahead and go up. Okay. Dang.
Woo!
Yeah. All right, get your reveal good.
That's where I want it right there.
Oh, and screw it, man. Looks great to me. It wasn't too bad. Definitely glad I taped these tops.
No, the tape definitely was a savior.
Yeah, no scratches.
Keep it away. Yeah. All right. Okay, so we should really, yeah, let me get it all the way up.
Wait. One on the back side of the jig.
Top, the very, very top. You could probably go ahead and go up if you want.
Maybe.
I buy it. No,
We get one for you.
yeah, I'm just taking 42.5 on the bottom.
Okay.
So we should be Gucci, you know.
You like it?
Yep. Got it?
I think so. Yeah.
Got it right. Got it. I got that next one ready too.
How is it gonna be, you think?
Huh?
How are we? Find out. Don't work, you know?
Smell like a sweet perfume or something.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Maybe it's just like what I wish I smelled every time I went home.
That's possible, dude. You guys, I don't got much battery, so I'm gonna make this quick. I am super happy with how this end wall is turning out. Look at that fireplace, man. When that thing gets some of that Versetta stone up, it's gonna look amazing. I'm so happy with how this is turning out. We had a killer day here for a Friday, end of the week. Great way to wrap it up. You guys have a great one, and we're gonna catch you back here on the next episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of this build, because I'm telling you, it's just gonna keep getting better. When the outside gets wrapped up, then we head to the inside. So we'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.